Personally speaking, I have really experimented a lot with manifestations. I've been into modeling, I've not just faith. I have also had painting exhibitions, so whatnot. I'm also INBA 100 Most Influential Women in India, and I have co-authored books with American coaches, and they're published in US. And I have once delivered a manifestation session to an audience as big as 5,000 people in a stadium. Hi dear friend, thank you so much for checking my channel, and I'll tell you why you should subscribe to it. So if you are seeing me for the first time, I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma, and I'm a manifestation coach for leaders. And why manifestation coach for leaders? Because there are many manifestation coaches who are helping in getting you your SP, means specific person, or money manifestation, or health manifestation. Here I am, I help you with your business manifestations, work manifestations. So that's why I call myself manifestation coach for leaders, and I have phenomenal results. And if you are someone who's super ambitious, who's want to do something big in life, and inside somewhere you know it, but it is like maybe you don't say it, maybe you're not working on it yet, then this channel is for you, and you must subscribe to my channel because there is lots and lots of content, and this is about my own passion that I want to bring out that entrepreneur from you, that person who wants to be successful, that person who wants to walk on the path of their purpose. So that's why this channel for you. And you know, this is a simple problem that I did not understand for a long time, because I am someone जिसने पहले computer engineering की, फिर I went into corporates to work. I was with Sapient, then I went to IBM, and then I was leading huge teams, and my life was just about chasing certifications and diplomas and switching the job, and you know, fighting for appraisal and managing the huge teams. But still, अगर आप देखो तो that is just a rat race. और अगर आप Google करोगे कि hello Google, give me the millionaires who are billionaires who are college dropouts, तो बहुत बड़ी list निकल कर आएगी. Look at this picture. It just, they're all college dropouts and they are successful. उसका reason ये है guys कि कहीं ना कहीं they are using the power of subconscious. Some of them openly say it and make videos about it, and some of them don't say it. But it is very, very clear if you look at their videos and the way they are making progress, that they work with their subconscious mind, with the power of it, sending this frequency to the universe and attracting everything in their favor, which is manifestations, and it is business manifestation specifically. So when I learned manifestations first time, which was like I took a break from my corporate career, and I went on maternity break, and I was very disheartened at that time, very depressed and isolated कि इतनी मैंने मेहनत की, and I was going on a maternity break, and I did not even get the promotion which was due. So I encountered the power of manifestations at that time. It was about 12 years ago, and I was happy surprised that manifestations work. I did some techniques for 3 months and I got the results, but I was also very sad that all my life nobody taught me this, क्योंकि कोई education system ही सिखाता ही नहीं है कि how you can manifest. And then I thought, you know, if I spread this to people, then a lot of people will be fine. They will not go in self-doubts or hopelessness or loneliness, and they will reach their full potential using the power of manifestations. So here I am, and today I am a successful coach, and I have coached more than 1,000 people. I have more than 100 plus results in manifestations, which also has, by the way, love manifestations, wealth manifestation, health manifestation, and that comes along with business manifestation. So level 1 people do with me, where their chakra energy assessment score is less than 12 or 11, and then they work on their personal energy, they sort out their personal life, they have relationships sorted, they get the respect and command and support, they have the wealth, basic wealth in place and health in place, and then they get into the business manifestation coaching with me, where I help them manifest their business using the 7 chakra power, and they make it very, very, very big within just few months. Now, when I'm doing it, it is with very selected and few people, but the results are phenomenal. And because it's my passion that I want to reach out to more and more people, I am on this channel creating a lot of content with the techniques which actually work inside my coaching. And this is from my side a give back to the society, to this world, that whatever is working inside is all here. So you, on my channel, you will find shorts which has a lot of techniques. You will also find a lot of long videos with the techniques that have actually given results inside my coaching. You will find my blog, How I Live as a Manifestation Coach. You will find my speeches on manifestations, and you will find a lot of content. Sometimes I'm in a mood of entertainment, sometimes I'm in a mood of educating, sometimes I'm just want to inspire you, and all that content is there. So, not in a nutshell, if you are subscribed to my channel, you will be day in and day and night, you will be motivated and inspired to reach to your full potential, and you will subconsciously learn the manifestation techniques. So wait no longer, just subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get inside my coaching, you will find a link in the description. And to understand the coaching process, that how it works, you can also join any of my upcoming webinars and see me live, meet me live. You can also book a call. So there are many options, but just stay subscribed. Stay in this energy of high vibration zone and reaching your full potential with me. Manifest with me and be a leader. Stay tuned. Yeah, and you will find some entertaining content also anyway, by the way, in the channel. Yeah, but yeah, everything is still about manifestations, because my life is also about manifestation. So this channel is also all about manifestations. And personally speaking, I have really experimented a lot with manifestations. I've been into modeling, I've written a book, I have also had painting exhibitions, so whatnot. And I also, by the way, was about to open a cybersecurity startup. I was about to register it, as I was getting into a meeting with investors, but then I just did not like it, dropped the idea, because my son was saying, Mama, you're a humanist and only something to do with humanity can make you happy. So here I am running a manifestation coaching business, which is super successful, and I might hit 8 crores. I'm also INBA 100 Most Influential Women in India, and I have co-authored books with American coaches, and they're published in US. And I have once delivered a manifestation session to audience as big as 5,000 people in a stadium. Anytime you want to get into the coaching, just find the description below. It'll point you to the steps, what you can take and get your journey started. Just subscribe.